Unlocking the true profit of your Amazon FBA business is the key to sustainable growth. Let's break down how to accurately calculate your Amazon FBA profit, step by step. First, identify your selling price. This is the price customers pay on Amazon. Next, determine your cost of goods sold (COGS). This includes the manufacturing cost, sourcing fees, and any initial shipping to your location. Now, let's factor in Amazon referral fees. Amazon takes a percentage of your selling price, which varies by product category. Don't forget FBA Fulfillment Fees. These cover storage, picking, packing, and shipping your products to customers. Consider FBA Storage Fees. These are charged monthly based on the volume and time your inventory is stored in Amazon's warehouses. If you're running Amazon ads, add your advertising costs to get a clearer picture of your overall expenses. To calculate your gross profit per unit, subtract COGS, referral fees, fulfillment fees, storage fees, and advertising costs from your selling price. By consistently tracking these figures, you can understand your true profit margins, identify areas for cost reduction, and make informed decisions to maximize your financial gains.